Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Attorney at law for Elephant Man, Christopher Townsend, in an interview on RETV's Quickie last night, stated he has requested video footage of his client in the immigration area at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay back in March.
Yes, I can confirm that we have sent off the documentation to the clerk of the courts requesting the CCTV footage, that's closed circuit television footage of what occurred in the immigration area at the airport. We feel that it is good material for his defense given the instructions that we have received from Elephant Man.
Elephant Man, whose given name is O'Neill Bryan, is charged with breaches of the Immigration Act after allegedly making a false declaration upon arrival in the island in March. Elephant Man appeared before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court via teleconference in April. The case will again be heard on September 4. Now, despite his pending case, Elephant Man over the weekend released a new single titled Quarantine, which encourages people to follow the instructions of the government while speaking to the current state of the nation due to the coronavirus.
Can't party again, that get forgotten. And the little time where we get a figure happen. And Jody and Ferran, that should not happen. The world shut down.
And as you heard it, it's a retake on his 2000 song Bombing. Now, for Mish Entertainment's most recent project, We Rise.
So when you feel like giving up, when you feel like there is nowhere to go, believe.
The project also features top dancehall acts like Conscience, Kamar Haikon, Taurus Riley, and the Ramesh Camp, of course, Shensia, Ding Dong, and TJ, along with Cash. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.